I've always been told that if a seed floats, it's dead. This year I had a whole lot of floaters, so let's find out if this ancient wisdom is fact or fiction. To do the float test, I'm filling some glasses with water, dropping the seeds in, giving them a stir and letting them soak for about 20 minutes. Then I'm taking some kitchen towel, arranging the floating seeds on one, sinking on the other, spritzing it with water till it's damp, folding it up into an origami seed sandwich and sticking it in a Ziploc bag, popping it somewhere warm and checking it every day for signs of germination. And then it's time to do the same for all the other seeds. The results are in, and the old wives' tale is a fairy tale. The floaters and the sinkers both had good germination rates. Next time, we'll try and save these helmet heads from certain doom.